Men don't like to spend money.
On females, when they see a pretty female, it's a bit different.
Yeah,
I'm
and
telling
then
you.
yeah, but then it's going back to the women again. Then do you get me?
No, but I mean, but you said women.
I'm saying, boom. Like if you want to start a business and you're like, all right, cool. I want women to be my customers. My main target audience is women. Yeah, you could make more money than if you have something that you're trying to sell to guys.
I don't think so. Like I said, I think because you're coming from a male perspective.
No, fam.
I'm being
It
serious.
ain't come as a male perspective.
Listen, especially when I used to
Okay, why is it
I
that
used
so
to
many
work.
women, why is it so many girls, they start eyelash business, hair doing installs and wigs and all them kind of things? Why do you think, or they do makeup, or they want to be, I don't know, clothes designer? Why do you think?
Yeah, but you need to understand. Remember, for someone who does both men and women's hair,
Yeah.
it is a lot easier for me to. Remember, I actually started off with doing this first, and then I stopped.
Yeah.
I went strictly just on men's hair. Yeah. Actually, no, I did all types of hair. So I was even doing braids, crochet, whatever the case may be. But I'm not
So
gonna
do
lie
you
to you.
feel, so you're saying most of your customers are guys?
Before, yeah.
But right now, today, is
Right
most
now,
of,
females are coming in a bit more. But I would still say I still have a lot more men.
yeah, but but
And
the
that's
thing,
because that's because when you're doing females' hair, it's easier to back men's hair than it is females' hair. Women won't come to you. There's a reason why I started doing my Instagram live not earlier on, because I had to ensure that I was top tier before I could ever be able to put myself out and say, oh yeah, I do wigs. Because I promise you, girls won't come to you if you're not that good. You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
but I feel
with
you, but
men,
like I
you
think
can
no,
be that.
yeah, but this is the thing. Okay,
So
but
it's not
in
easy.
maybe in your what you do,
No, but
yeah,
that's what
what
I'm
you
trying to
do.
say. But like I was going to say earlier as well, when I was working in like a Jamaican Nigerian restaurant around that time, and when I said to you, there was more men coming in when you started working there. Why? Because they want to chill, they want to talk, they're gonna buy some food, do you know what I'm trying to say? That men are attracted to pretty women.
You think yeah that men are bigger consumers than women.
It depends on what you're offering.
Yeah, but that's what
Do
I'm
you know what I'm trying
saying.
to say? It
Yeah,
really
but
just depends on what you're
no, but
offering.
I'm
But
saying
I
in
would say
general.
natural, as a female, I was going to say
Yeah.
as a man, it's easier for you to attract more women. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Especially when you're not
What's
ugly.
attracting women got to do with it?
Attract women when it comes to
Oh, for
customers.
business.
Yeah, for business.
Oh,
Nothing to do with anything like that. But as a man, I'm telling you, it's a
maybe.
lot
Yeah,
easier.
maybe.
That's why there's even men who even do installs.
Yeah,
Do you
maybe
get what I
you're
mean?
right. Yeah, but like I think you're thinking just about your industry.
No, but that's why I said even when I was in the cooking thing, it was easier for me to attract a lot more men. And it wasn't even me just doing anything. I saw they see me in the window. Do you get what I mean? Like it's a lot easier. And I promise you, they stopped going after we went. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Okay, well, okay, but like,
But I think if you're a man, 100% it's easy to attract women. But as a woman, it's easier for us to attract men.
nah. I'm not.
It is.
No. Listen. This is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I'm saying this, and everyone watching, like the video, man. Like you lot are sitting there watching, like the video. Don't forget to do that. Yeah. What I'm saying, most of the time, yeah. For instance, if when you watch TV, yeah, and you see adverts, who are the adverts targeted at mostly? Men or women? What do you think? Just a guess.
That one again. It depends on what they're selling. I feel like you can't
No,
base it
no, no,
off.
no, 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 no,
I'm
no,
being
no,
serious.
no,
You
no,
can't
no, no.
base it
I'm just
off
saying
an
listen to what I'm saying. I'm saying in general, just like, just it don't
Yeah,
matter what the
I'm
advert's
being,
for.
no,
I'm
I know
just
what you're
saying what.
saying. That's what I'm trying to
Okay,
say. I can't tell you. I can't say to you, oh, it's more women or it's more women, more
I
men.
can easily
Because
tell you
no,
it's
you
targeted
can't.
more at women.
Dan, we'll get Dan involved. Oh, I think he's on the phone. You're on the phone. Yeah, what's up? Don't worry, I'll ask you after.
Because like, think about it, yeah.
I think it just
Adverts
depends on what you're
for
offering.
listen. Adverts for beauty.
I think it
No,
just
think
depends
about it.
on what you're
If you go
offering.
to
If
any
you're
big,
offering something that's more female related,
you're
yeah, I'm
not
cutting you off.
listening.
If
You're
you
not
offer something
listening.
that's
You're
more
not
female related,
listening.
of course it's going to be female. That's going to
You're
be
not
attention.
listening. Yeah, but most things that women are bigger
Like
consumers
what?
than men,
Like
though.
what? Tell me what?
Like what? What are you asking?
I'm asking you. You said females are more bigger consumers. Go on. For
Yeah.
what? Give me an advert
Okay.
that's more
Things in the
female.
home. things for the home, like in IKEA, a lot of the time it's women that are buying all these things, the different furniture and all these things in the house,
Not
put all these
really.
little plants and that.
I'm
Yes,
not
it,
gonna- I used to
it
work for
actually is.
IKEA.
It actually
I
is though.
literally used to work for IKEA.
Okay.
so,
So you saying you say mostly men go in there?
I'm not saying mostly men or mostly women. I'm just
Then
saying
what are you
that
saying?
one there is literally like it's both.
No, but I'm saying women more.
I wouldn't even think so. I'd be so serious.
They actually, the women actually like. Are you lot watching? What do you lot think? Let me know what you
I
lot
used
think.
to actually work there, and I promise.
I will
wouldn't be able
I
to tell you if there
confidently
was more
will
men
I
or
will
more.
confidently say that women are bigger consumers than men. I'll confidently say that.
I don't know, but I don't know. I don't know about
Hey,
that.
someone said no audio. Is there no audio going in? There should be. Is
How do
there
you know
no
someone said
audio?
no audio?
The message came up, but I don't know if that's true though. I can't tell. But it should be. You lot watching? Let me know. Oh, someone said nah, it's clear. Oh, okay.
Oh, there are messages.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, you lot while you're watching, like ask
can
questions
you
as
even
well.
see that?
Yeah, I got great eyesight, man. Get
can't see
me?
them.
I know, cause I got great eyesight and get me. Other people, but anyway,
Oh, shut up, man.
listen. Women spend more money. They're the biggest consumers. If you go to
Dan, who's the biggest consumer, men or women?
Sorry?
Who's the biggest consumer, men or women?
consumer, yeah.
Of what?
That's
Just
what I'm
in
saying. You're
general.
saying in
Just in general.
But I said you can't really say.
You can
know what I
say in
mean?
general. You
If
can.
it- about certain things, of course. You know.
I think if you specify it
Thank
quite
you.
diverse,
If you okay, all right. Let me give you an
I
example.
say that yes because if you're putting all purchases in, as a man, I'm gonna spend a lot of money on a car, for example, which is part of just it being the general.
I get that, like, expensive items, but what I'm saying, what the point of what I'm saying is, like for instance, if you watch TV, yeah, and in general, don't make it specific to any product. Like, who is most of the adverts targeted at? Are they usually going at men or women? There you go. Like, I don't know how you don't know this.
I don't think so.
If you go to a shopping center, most of the shops are targeted at who? Women. Why? Because they're the biggest consumers. It's very simple.
Sections as well. So if you've got like a unisex shop,
Yeah. The men's section will be small.
yeah,
Go Primark. Go Primark. You see, the first floor is women. Second floor might be women and kids. Then the top floor, small attic, bruv, will be men's section, bruv. What do you mean, fam? Get me? Because you like to waste money still. Yeah. And that's what, because the point what I was saying is if you wanted to start a business or entrepreneur and all you cared about was making money, as much money as quick as possible, it's best to have women as your customers, innit? There you go.
I mean, I guess depending on who you are, innit? Like I wouldn't.
No,
I
it
didn't go
don't.
that
It don't
route.
matter who you are.
It
Does
depend
it?
on what you're doing. Because I didn't go that route.
She said it does. It depends who you are.
Yeah,
I think if
100%.
you, but you only can generalize things like this. Everyone's different. There's always going to be an extreme on both sides. But I think if you generalize it, women definitely do.
Definitely that you'd be more successful targeting a product or service for women than men. 100%. You get what I'm saying?
And the thing is, yeah, all you need to do is walk up a high street. Forget clothing and stuff like that, but nail shops.
Nail shops, yeah.
Nail shop naturally. Do you know what I mean? 100%.
No, but you're getting specific to the nail shop. The point of what he's saying is that most of everything, if you go down the high street, is going to be tailored for women. Do you understand now, IK?
Yeah, but I never disputed your point there.
You actually did.
I never said
You
you were
actually
wrong
did.
or whatever. I said, but I think it was both naturally. Do you know what I mean?
But that was wrong though.
Don't get twisted. Your points are 100% valid. Even the points that he's made, 100% valid.
Now you didn't
But I
trust
just
it
said-
when I said it.
No, but I
That
didn't
when
trust you
I
either.
had to
When
get
did I trust you?
reinforcements, I had to
When
get
did I trust you?
reinforcements.
No, I brought the reinforcements actually.
Yeah, and then you took an L.
I didn't take an L. I did not take an L. I'll tell you that for free. But again, speaking for me, completely different.
Yeah, but yeah, I guess, like maybe. You get what I'm saying?
Oh.
But yeah, she tried to get your help and it backfired. You get me? Nah, you kept it real, bro. Come on, man.
Yeah, but I never said
You did. They even said it on there. They even said it.
What?
Yes, you did say. You said I was wrong.
You can make fast money, but she doesn't do your ex work. What does that mean?
I don't know what that means. But somebody else wrote a message and said, yeah, you did. You were saying that I was wrong.
No, but because I said it was both. That's what I said. That
But
was
it's
my
not
main
both,
point.
though. That's the point.
And I have said that your points are right, man.
Cool, I'll show later, bro. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know if I'll do. I think I'm gonna do a reaction video later.
What does that mean?
Basically, I do live streams where I let the viewers call and speak to me, innit? Do you get me? Like live. So they call up and then they speak to me live, innit?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. But yeah, man, it's cool, man. I had to teach you something today. You get me?
Calm your ass, because he's always teaching you.
No, I had to,
You
I
calm your
had to
ass
teach
there.
you about the business side of things. Get
That's
me?
the business side of things.
Get
Oh,
me?
Please, give over. You can't
Target
talk to me about
audience.
that.
Get me? Like, get me?
Yeah, but I know all about target audience. 'Cause I've
I know you do. I know you do. I know you do.
Exactly.
I know you do. I know you do. I was just trying to, try and help you scale up. You get me?
Scaling up how? How are you going
Because,
to help me scale up?
get me.
Tell me how you're going to make
Don't
me
worry.
scale up.
It's okay. It's
No,
okay.
no, tell me.
Just breathe. Just breathe.
Oh,
Just
I hate
breathe.
when men do that. That patronizing shit. It's so annoying.